Hey, it's Chad Nicely along with
Perry Belcher.
and we want to welcome you to step number 1. Now we're going to tell you all about Mint Bird here in a minute, but first, check out this demo. Pretty awesome, right? So this is an incredible platform. How long have we been working on this, Perry?
19 months, I think.
19 months.
Pre-COVID.
Yeah. Now, this platform is doing things that you have never, ever seen before. And we're just getting started, right?
Yeah, it's the ease of use and the speed's the part that blows me away. It's so much quicker than anything else in the market. And the way that Chad engineered it is a totally different way of thinking. It's the way that all these cart builders and funnel builders should have been built to start with. So I think this is a real game changer.
Yeah, and what he's talking about is how you're able to build libraries, right? So you set up all your upsells, your downsells, your bump offers. You just set them up once. You set up your delivery, maybe you're firing off some retargeting pixels, and then you're just pulling them in wherever you want, little by little, multiple funnels, and then there's some real magic that you all don't even know about yet. But we want to invite you to some private trainings that we're going to be doing before we open this up to the public. So we've done this before, so you know how this works. What we're going to do is we are going to teach you how to use this platform. You're going to be involved in the process of it. And then we're going to turn around and make you an affiliate. And not only that, we're going to train you on how to be a power affiliate. Now, this guy right here is one of the biggest affiliates in the business. And how much have you sold in digital goods?
About $500 million.
$500 million. So,
but I'm really old.
Yeah, so if you think maybe there's some secrets and hacks to this, there absolutely is. Now, he has a very large marketplace that he works with each and every week, teaching people exactly how to do that, how to become power affiliates. I do the same place. Matter of fact, we're kind of competitors with each other, so it's kind of funny. But we're coming together on this one right here to teach you how to be an affiliate. Now, you have to know the value in this because we don't just approve affiliate links with anybody, do we? No. So this is a special privilege for you, okay? Now, as I said, this is step number 1. Now, we're also gonna arm you with everything you need. So what we've done is put together the Mint Bird Affiliate Accelerator Program. So we're gonna give you the banners that you need, the videos, the email swipes, the private trainings, and you're gonna have behind the scenes as we're building out Mint Bird. Pretty incredible, right? So all you got to do is go ahead and enter your details, click the button, and you're going to be taken to step number 2. Now that's going to be inside of our private community, right? And it's there where you're going to find out all about our trainings. We've got some special bonuses. I think I'm going to talk him into giving away some of these hats. We're also going to be giving away an agency license, maybe a couple agency licenses, and some copies of Mintberg. And yes, you heard that right. We do have an agency license with this platform, right? Anything you want to leave them with?
No, the affiliate commission, can be up to around $1,200, a little over $1,200 affiliate commission for a full funnel purchase. So this is going to be one of the most lucrative launches you've ever seen.
Yeah, and the thing is, we're giving them the inside word. Like, they have so much time to prepare for this, right? It's an incredible opportunity, and this is kind of how I built my whole entire business, was going out there and learning how to promote simple little digital products. I know it's how he got started with Digital Marketer, which then became, traffic and conversions and war rooms. I mean, very, very privileged to have him be a part of our community, and you're in a great position. So go ahead and click the button down below, lock in your access, and we'll see you on step number 2.